Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started, okay? We got the Gambling Apes again. I got to come cover this all over again because we're over 1 Ethereum, and that is just, it's just pretty epic that we really made this milestone already. And we've seen the price fluctuate up and down just a little bit. We got a little bit of some paper hands happening, but that's no big deal. You know, we don't want to discourage people by name calling too much. They probably don't know what's going on, and maybe they don't know that the casino is coming December 17th, and that drop alone is going to push the price up. And I'm not going to lie, I like coming to this page because we've come a very long way. So I really like coming to this page and seeing that our volume traded is 6.1. The floor price is 1 Ethereum. That is such a huge milestone for all the apes. And we only have 6 apes, not even. So another one was just purchased. Let's check that out. I was sure it was only 6. Then we go here to volume traded. Okay, so 26 minutes ago, somebody got this cool ape. Let me know if you're a subscriber and this is your ape. Let me know down in the comments below if this is your ape. If you want it to be known, let me know down in the comments down below, and share this video and let people know, like, hey, you know, my gambling ape was on Crypto Rico's video, and I'm glad I bought it because not only was it on the video, but, you know, it's going to be worth a lot of money later on, not because of the Crypto Rico video or nothing like that, but you have proof of all these things that we knew that were going to come, and this was the reason, not what I said, but that you believed in this project, and the reason you believed in it was all the things that were going to come, all the use cases and stuff. So I'm just going over this. These are just the offer, so there's not the price. This is an epic looking ape right here, which is just crazy. It looks amazing. This is cool, even though with the background. I know the white backgrounds are a little bit more rare, but if you like an ape, you don't have to get the ape that has the most rare properties or whatnot. So let's check out some properties real quick. I just wanted to do an update because I'm really excited about everything that we got going on, and I keep checking this page. And my YouTube channel is not just about, you know, the technical analysis, not just about letting people know about new projects or whatnot, but it is a community channel, and I like to also converse with you guys about a lot of things that are going on. And, you know, I'm excited about these projects that we're in, so I can't help it to maybe want to drop a video on something that we accomplish. Yeah, I just did one yesterday. I saw the price fluctuating a little bit today. I've been watching it all day, so yeah, we're checking out the traits right now, but I couldn't help making a video, basically, is what I'm saying, because you know, I like tapping in with you guys. I love all the support that I get from all my apes and everybody else too, all the French Connection family, all my Feg family, all the ones that I rock really hard with. You guys know which one you guys are, and I've been with the Gambling Apes since the very, very beginning. I even went to the Vegas event. It was epic, so shout out to all the apes that went to the event once again. Let's check out some of these. I think getting some of these apes right now that are literally with a chain right now is so early that it's crazy. This one's pretty cool too, just because it's just all red like that. That's something pretty cool as well. But I think that these, like, for 1 Ethereum right now, and it has a chain on, I think that's pretty amazing. And it's just because there's not enough people knowing what's going on. Yeah, we have a lot of people in Discord, and it's still growing. I saw when it was at 50,000, now it's over 65,000, and it keeps growing. It just keeps going, and these apes are not going nowhere. Get ready, strap in for, you know, December 17th. This is going to be crazy. Make sure you guys are signed up. They're doing a lot of giveaways as well. We can go check out the Discord. Matter of fact, you guys tap in with me on Discord and get there, and I'll meet you guys there. How about that? But that's all basically for this video. I just want to keep everybody tapped in. Congratulate us once again on getting and keeping this floor price. This is something too. Just breaking the floor price is one thing, but keeping it, we fluctuated down a little bit, then we went right back up, which was pretty epic. And to know that this is basically that new zero. You know, we got this trading volume right here. What I like to look at is right here, the floor price. We have 5 apes, and we literally start to see, let me see, yep, we got 5 apes, and this is part of the thing right here. I'm giving you guys a little gem right now. We got 5 apes, and we get to see this 1.02. If you're paying attention, you guys know that I got that NFT course. If you guys are interested in that, you guys might want to do that, and you guys can see how to make big profits on NFTs. I'm not selling my Gambling Ape. There's a lot of NFTs that I'm not selling. I'm diamond handing them very long term. But let me know if you guys see your ape on my video right now, or maybe one of the other videos that I dropped. Let me know if there's something that you guys want me to cover in the Gambling Apes video. Let me know down in the comments below. Leave a lot of comments. Put the like button, like that it'll get out, and the YouTube algorithm will show more people our Gambling Apes. The more people that know about our casino, the more people that are basically gonna be having fun inside that casino. We all make profits off of it. They can make money. So everybody has these chances of making a lot of money with these use cases that the Gambling Apes are bringing to the table. So you guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.